Okay, so she is up at the top. So I'll just... Hi, I'm Cassie, and this is Surprise Let's Play. Today we're going to be rehousing my new tarantulas that I got from fearnottarantulas.com into tarantula cribs from tarantulacribs.com. I am not sponsored by them. So I'm going to show you a couple enclosures I have, and then we will rehouse the two spiders that I have. We have the Tarantula Cribs cuboid. It's the 4x4x3. And I also got the canopy lid. Done. I just found out today that this would be really good for the arboreals. If you get the treehouse switch, get something like this to go on top to give them more room. But we're doing a terrestrial, so this isn't as important. I just kind of wanted it for the look. We're going to get this ready for our spider. I like to use Reptisoil. You will want to fill it at least half full or 3/4 full. I work at a garden center and I was able to pull some moss off the bottom of some of the trees. Another local plant store, and it's like $5 for a container. So I am making her a starter burrow. She may or may not use it. I don't know if I like that. Do you like it? Mm-hmm. You do? And then I always like to use a little bit of wet sphagnum moss for my spiderlings. Don't forget the water dish. The water dish is really important. We have our Gramistola pulchra and our Brachyphelma hamori. And the spiderling I am going to put in this enclosure is the Gramistola pulchra. And what I like about Fear Not Tarantulas is they make it so you can pull your label off. This side actually where it's not wet. And here is our spiderling. I don't know if you can see her in there. Okay, so she is up at the top. So just slowly pop this open. Our first spiderling, our Gramistola pulchra, and I actually already decorated this enclosure by the Tarantula Collective. Alright, our Brachyphelma hamori, this is a Mexican red knee. This spider means a lot to me because this was the first tarantula I ever had. And it was the first tarantula and the last tarantula I will make a deathly mistake with. I forgot to fill her water dish. I had not understood that spiders need water. She was about, this big, and she just got too dehydrated, so she passed away. And I'm hoping to start over again with this brachyphelma, and I really hope this one makes it. So yeah, let's get her in there. Where is she? Okay, up at the top. They seem to like it up there. Stress pose, I think. I'm gonna leave her in the sphagnum moss because she is in stress pose. Alright, well that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun putting my spiders in their enclosures, putting it together, and I hope all this works out. They live and you guys get to watch them grow with me. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.